Girl, hey, are you going to buy groceries?
Yes, I need a few things.
What do you need today?
I need milk, bread, and rice.
Oh, nice. Those are basics.
Do you buy vegetables too?
Yes, I buy them every week.
Same. Fresh vegetables taste better.
Yes, they feel clean and healthy.
Do you make a list first?
Yes, lists help me remember.
I forget things without a list.
Same. A list saves time.
Do you check prices carefully?
Yes, I compare prices always.
Good idea. Prices change often.
Yes, some items get expensive.
Do you carry your own bag?
Yes, I carry a cloth bag.
That is good for the environment.
Yes, plastic bags are harmful.
Do you shop in the morning?
Yes, morning shops are less crowded.
I like empty shops too.
Yes, it feels calm inside.
Okay, I will go now too.
Great, we both can buy today.
Yes, I hope I get everything.
You will. The shop has many things.
I will message you later.
Sure, have a good shopping trip.
Thanks.